I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic ignition switch. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and the replacement ignition switch. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, you will need to lower the steering column and carefully remove the 3 Phillips head screws that secure the plastic covers around it, allowing access to the ignition switch. Now that the covers are off, you can clearly see the ignition switch. It's typically held in place by 2 screws. These screws can sometimes be tricky to access, possibly requiring a 90-degree screwdriver or a small ratchet with an 8mm socket. Once the screws are out, carefully unplug the 2 electrical harnesses connected to the back of the old switch. One harness usually has 2 wires, and the other has about 8 wires. Gently wiggle the connectors free. With the old switch removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new ignition switch with its designated spot on the steering column. Ensure it seats correctly before securing it with the 2 screws you removed earlier. Tighten these screws until they are snug, but avoid over-tightening. Next, reconnect the 2 electrical harnesses, making sure they click securely into place. Double-check all connections to ensure they are firm and properly seated. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before reassembling everything, perform a crucial test. Insert your key and turn the ignition to ensure the engine starts and runs smoothly. Also, check that all electrical accessories, such as the radio and lights, function properly. Once you've confirmed everything works, carefully reattach the steering column covers and any other trim pieces, securing them with their respective screws. This completes your ignition switch replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.